Super Easy Drawings. Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig on Halloween. Now let's color Peppa and her family around a Halloween pumpkin. At first I'm going to draw George Pig. I draw his eyes, his nose, and the shape of his head. I draw his mouth and a circle for his cheek. He is sitting on a chair. I draw his arms like this. Now let's draw Peppa Pig next to him. I start with her eyes, her nose, and the shape of her head. I draw her mouth and a circle for her cheek. I draw her ears. I draw her body, her hand. Now I draw a Halloween pumpkin in front of them, like this. I draw the pumpkin shape, then I draw his eyes and nose holes and his smiling mouth. I think they just carved it and put a candle into it for Halloween. Then I draw the table. Cool! Now let's draw Daddy Pig behind the piggies. I start with his eyes and glasses. Then I draw his nose and the shape of his head. I draw his mouth and a circle for his cheek. He has a beard, so let's add some lines like this. He is wearing a scarf. I continue with his body, his arm, his two legs. Last but not least, let's draw Mommy Pig onto the other side of the table. I draw her eyes, her nose, and the shape of her head. Then I draw her smiling mouth, a circle for her cheek, and her two ears. Now I draw her body with her arm. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Let's color Daddy Pig. I color his skin with this pink marker. I use light purple for his cheek. Light blue. Daddy Pig's scarf is going to be red and yellow. I color his body with this aqua green color. Let's color George Pig. I use this pink marker for his skin. I color his cheek with light purple. His clothes are blue, so I use this nice blue marker. Let's color Peppa Pig. For her skin, I'm going to use this pink marker. I use light purple for her cheek. I color her dress with red. Red is Peppa Pig's favorite color. I color Mommy Pig's skin pink. I color her cheek light purple. Then I use two different shades of red for her mouth and lips. Then I use orange for her dress. I color the chair blue. I colored the pumpkin orange. For the table, I use aqua blue. Finally, I add some yellow here for the candlelight, and I add some dark blue into the background. Good job! Now let's draw Peppa Pig and Susie Sheep in costumes. At first, I draw Peppa Pig. I draw her eyes, then her nose, and a shape of her head, and a circle for her cheek. I draw her mouth like this. She is wearing a witch hat on top of her head. Then I draw her body. She holds her arms like this. She seems like she wants to scare Susie. His 2 legs and curly tail. Now let's draw Susie next to her. I draw the shape of her head, then her eyes. And her mouth with 2 sharp and pointy teeth. She is a vampire. I draw her body and her arms like this. Seems like Peppa scared her. In one of her hands, she is holding a cute spider. Then I finish her outfit. Finally, I draw a bat above them. I draw a line here for the ground. Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. At first, I will color Peppa. For her skin, I'm going to use this pink marker. I use light purple for her cheek. I use 2 shades of red for her mouth. I color her witch outfit purple. Then I use yellow, dark purple, and a little orange. Now let's color Susie. I color her nose pink and her chin with a different pink marker. I use 2 shades of red for her mouth. Then I color her dress red. Then I use black for her cloak. For the spider and also for the bat. And I add a little pink for his nose. Finally, I color the grassy ground green. And I add some dark blue into the background. Really good. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.